Alright guys, quick little short video on reconditioning headlights. I just picked up this car for my wife. It's a 2007 Mercedes-Benz. This is what the headlights look like. Pretty common with the older cars. And this is after I did a little bit of work on this. And what I wanted to show you is I got this scratch removal kit for aquariums, right? And I would recommend this instead of buying this kit, right? And the reason I like it is because it came with this little sponge, and it came with all this wet sandpaper that goes from 1500 all the way up to, I think it's 12,000. There might be one that's even finer than this. And then there's a little bit of final polish. And this is what I used to get this result in like a few minutes. And you can see the bottom half. You can kind of see the line to where I did it. I am actually going to do the whole thing. And like I said, the reason I wanted to do this video is because I bought this kit. Forget what it costs, but this is what it comes with. Literally two little tiny 2-inch, 1.5 inch square pads. You can barely see the numbers. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess you can work your way up or down depending. And then it comes, of course, with polish, which it's already pretty much, I think, spoiled at this point because it doesn't really do anything. The only thing that was good was it came with this little foam pad that buffs it out. But honestly, this is probably better results that I got with this kit, and just wanted to show you guys this. I'm going to do the whole headlight, and I'm going to do the opposite side. This one has not been touched, as you can see, and so I'm going to tape off here at the bottom with some painter's tape, I guess, and show you what it looks like afterwards. So huge difference, but I'm just going to suggest going this route, and you probably get better results. And honestly, on this, I don't think I used like maybe 3 or 4 of the different grit sandpaper. So yeah, really impressed. And like I said, you'll probably get better results if you put a little bit of time into it. So I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, or maybe a little bit while I'm doing it, so you can kind of see, like I said, pretty quickly, and very nice results. Alright guys, so this is the opposite side, the one that I had done the top portion. Like I said, I wanted to do the whole lens, and sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath here, but so I got it, like this one wasn't as bad, so I think I started with the 2400 grit to get this clear coat off. Might still be a little bit right here, and maybe right here also, but everything else looks to be pretty good. So I'm going to hit it up a little bit more here, maybe right here. You can see like a little bit of a line. So but yeah, pretty coming up pretty good. So like I said, I'll just do this, keep working my way through the lower grits, and then do the final polish and show you the end results. Okay, so quick update. This one is done. I still have not polished it, but you can see how nice it looks. What I did was instead of using the little foam block, I just used my hands, and I used the edges, of course, which had not been used, and just did it with my fingers, right? can definitely see, doesn't look too bad. Using it by hand, a little bit hard, like I said, to get in here because of this little lip. But yeah, really came out nicely. You can kind of maybe slightly see something here, but I think I got most of that clear coat off here. So I'm going to do the final polish with the, like I said, the foam here. All I've done is wet it down, get all the dirt and stuff that's in there, and I will slowly buff this out and show you the final results. Alright, final results. As you can see, they look really nice. I mean, you really don't see a whole lot of scratching, even though you can tell it was sanded down. All the clear coat's gone, and like I said, maybe here at the top it's a little more noticeable. You can kind of see some micro cracks on the plastic, but overall, very happy. This one, I kind of noticed that I did not get it all the way. And like I said, when the sandpaper, when I was doing it by hand, I actually was pushing or sanding down this way, where my hand coming from the back side, so that's why I was able to get it really nice. But yeah, yellowing is gone. Really nice job. Like I said, acrylic scratch removal kit from an aquarium. Does an excellent job if you want to try a different method.